Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good songs on piano in Roblox. First, you'll need to find a Roblox game that features a playable piano, as not all games have this option. Once you're in, take a moment to understand the basic keyboard layout. Typically, keys like A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K correspond to musical notes. Start by pressing these keys to hear the sounds and get a feel for the instrument. Now that you know the basics, let's find some songs. Many online communities and websites offer Roblox piano sheet music or specific note codes. These codes are sequences of letters and numbers that represent a song. Look for tutorials that break down popular tunes. For beginners, selecting songs with around 50 to 150 notes is ideal, as they are less complex and easier to master quickly. To truly improve, consistent practice is key. Break down any complex song into smaller, more manageable sections. Focus on mastering one part before moving to the next. If the song involves two hands, practice each hand's part separately until you feel comfortable. Additionally, consider using a virtual metronome to help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your overall rhythm. Once you're comfortable with playing, don't hesitate to explore different Roblox piano games. Each might offer unique instruments or features. Engaging with the Roblox music community can also be incredibly rewarding. You can share your progress, discover new songs, and even collaborate. Finally, try improvising. Experiment with different notes and rhythms to create your own original melodies and truly make the piano your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.